What happened?
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's important that you train on a variety of tracks. Let me show you. Select Tokyo, Japan. Are you afraid to
Tokyo,
go for a
Japan?
ride?
That's my
That's
name,
the tailpipe of Lightning McQueen from League Class. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail. That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening?
In our universe, there is only one race car that stands above the rest.
Doc Hudson?
One race car who is the champion of champions.
Mr. the King?
No, you know him as the greatest racer of all time.
Lightning McQueen!
No, shake hands.
Hicks? That's not who I was thinking of, but okay.
Hey, McLoser.
Chick, what are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I could race you and finally prove who's the best race car. Me or me?
Chick, you already beat me in a race.
Everyone says I only won that cup because you were helping the king. They say my championship was a fluke, which it wasn't. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Let's race, McQueen.
I am not racing you, Chick. We're busy training these rookies.
Well, I'll sweeten the deal. If I win, every racer here gets a huge pile of cash. Must be appropriate age and limits to claim huge pile of cash. I'm responsible for loss or stolen items. One huge pile of cash for winning customer. Offer not available in Orlando, Florida.
Come on, leave the rookies out of this.
I knew you were afraid to race me.
What do you rookies think? Should we race this guy?
Yeah, you can beat him.
Oh, yes, you should race Chip, even though he's so much better. Oh, God, McQueen.
All right, let's do this. Nader, start up the simulator.
On it.
Please select a course.
Chickix Motor Speedway.
Come on, is that even a place?
It is now. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm racing the wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Driving backwards here.
Buddy, remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right, I just need to know where I'm going. All right, how am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure.
I'm slowing down.
Hack the system to change your stats!
Hey, that's cheating.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode.
Activating team mode.
Hey, Luigi, Guido, thanks.
Hey, McQueen, looks like you really do need some leak blocks.
Oil.
Oh, honey, don't worry. I got you. Coming on.
Exactly what I needed, Flo.
You know, racing with you is a real gas. Too bad you're running on empty.
How can I be out of gas?
Organic fuel to the rescue, man.
Thanks, Fillmore. You're saving the race.
This race? Your loser friends aren't enough to beat me, McQueen.
You don't even know what a real friend is, chick.
Oh, yeah? Oh, what do you call these guys?
Oh, that's nightmares like this. Whoa,
Time to go old school, Mr. McQueen.
old school?
On the dirt track? Who races on dirt?
Doc Hudson!
Turn right to go left. That doesn't even make sense.
Does to me. Thanks, Doc.
You're making me not proud!
Hey, thanks. All right, chick. Now it's just you and me. As Doc always said, look like a Cadillac, sting like a Beamer.
Good
Well, rookies, that was not how I thought this
Who's
lesson
naughty?
was gonna go. Chick
Chick.
reminded me that
Bye,
in the
Chick.
end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
Oh my, I'm getting all rusty-eyed back here.
Thanks for coming out today. Consider yourselves honorary members of my Lightning McQueen racing team. Now go out there and get your tires dirty. Ka-chow!
Ka-chow!
We'll see you rookies out on the track.
Yay!